your fluid cool brakes. Right folks, I hope you're watching as the truck now comes up around into clearways. This is where it's gone sideways. Let's see if he's going to do it again for us. This is a proper demonstration. Come on man, look at that! Look at the smoke pouring off the back of that truck. Imagine getting 5 tons sideways. Limited to 100 miles an hour. So the ball goes messy. The barriers can't take it.